In this video, let's talk about the wheel spacers, good or bad.
Quality wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part between the hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including cosmetic changes, brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, better handling, and more. Wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved downward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They're installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and the tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading with wheel spacers. Using wheel spacers allows us to install aftermarket wheels that don't exactly match the car specifications, and then we don't have to buy another set of wheels. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduced risk. What's better, by spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the wheel spacers provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are exquisite and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of the BONOSS wheel spacers is the lightweight plus and the FT cooling. The benefits of the lightweight plus design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption, and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. It is important to note that while wheel spacers offer these advantages, proper installation and the proper sizing are crucial to ensure safety and optimal performance.
Hope this video can help you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.